Yeah, hi David and Robin. Yeah, firstly, thanks for getting back to us so quickly. Yeah, appreciate it. Pip and I both appreciate it to keep things moving along. I just thought I'd do this quick video to kind of explain um, what we are planning on doing. Sometimes 2D drawings are a little bit hard to understand what's going on, but so this is the existing or the before shot taken from your place, standing in the little dining room next to the outdoor deck, looking back at Pip's place at number 3. And basically, you can see the upper level is there, the lower level with the deck and the screen are sort of in that place. So, what we are proposing to do is basically this this down this sort of lower level area is getting extended all the way to the exterior wall line. So I'll go to before. So basically, what I'm saying is we're extending this to the current wall line, and that's going all the way across to the new deck and screen. So I'll just go back to that. So you can see I've just sort of very rudely taken a screenshot and moved it to the building line. So effectively the upper level stays, the lower level gets pushed out to the building line. Um, the new lounge area in there with the new deck and a screen of some sort to still provide privacy. Um, the deck, however, will end up a meter past the original deck line. So effectively, this red dashed line is where the current deck ends, and we're pushing it a meter past, but still on the same building line running out. So that's the building line there. We're not going past the existing upper level building line. Obviously, all new materials, all new roof cladding, new privacy screen, new windows and doors. So it's actually going to look really good. And also, just to put you at ease, your view, which is sort of more that way, is very far from the deck area and the privacy screen area. I'll just show you on, so these set of plans, basically, if you were looking towards number 3, this is the addition that I was talking about. So in green, we push it all the way out to that same building line, runs on the angle, um, and then the existing deck becomes bigger by a meter in the front, and it's the full width extension running down. And your view in red is the image, that image there. So effectively the deck and the privacy screen are back there on my mouse, if that makes sense. Hope that makes sense, but any other questions, fire them through. I will just flick this email now with a video link in it, but any other questions, please feel free to get in touch. Thanks, David and Robin. Cheers.